Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we're going to be continuing with crocheting Christmas ornaments. So this week I'm going to be sharing with you how to crochet the olive leaves and berries. Olive leaves or plants with berries. So I'm going to use this acrylic yarn. My crochet hook is a 4mm crochet hook. And you're going to need the red and the green yarn. To start with the leaf, we're going to start with the leaf, and I'm going to do a slip knot now, and I'm going to do a chain of 15. We have 15 chains here, and we're going to skip two chains, skip two, and go into the third chain and do a single crochet. Into the next, a half double crochet, one double crochet into the next stitch, and now we are going to make our picot. So to make the picot, we're going to do chain 3, and we're going to go back into the first chain there, and we go back right there behind the loop, and we're going to do a slip stitch. So after every 3 stitches, we are going to always do a picot. So that's the first picot, and now we're going to the next stitch. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing my picot right. I believe it's picot. So we're going to the next stitch, and we're going to do an extended double crochet, and that's the first one. Doing an extended double crochet is really simple. You just you yarn over once, and you insert your hook into the chain, and you yarn over twice, you yarn over 2, and then yarn over. So that's called an extended double crochet. We are going to do 3 extended double crochet into the next 3 stitches. As I said, we're going to do the picot after every 3 stitches. Now I'm going to do the second picot with chain 3 and back into the first chain and do a slip stitch. Another 3 extended double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Now we're going to go back and repeat the same row for the last 3 stitches, and we're going to do 1 double crochet, half double crochet, and 2 single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and then we end this up, and this is the end of this round. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the opposite side, and to start that we're going to do a single crochet, and we're going to weave in that yarn as we walk along. Carry that yarn along, and then you find your first stitch, you go back into the the stitch opposite, so you know where to start on the other side. So we're going to start on that side with a single crochet. Repeating the same thing that we did on the opposite side, with 1 single crochet, a half double crochet into the next stitch, one double crochet into the next stitch, and then we're going to make our picot after that. And now we're going to do another 3 extended double crochet, then we're going to make another picot, another 3 double extended double crochet, repeating what we did on the other side. So finishing off with 1 single crochet at the end of this round, and that's how to make the olive leaf. And we are going to need 2 of this. I'm going to chain 1 now and fasten off. Guys, I'm so sorry because I completely forgot. I did not know I changed the position of my camera. So now I'm going to make the berries. We have 2 leaves now, and now to make the berries, very simple. We're going to do a magic circle and chain 2. After chain 2, 5 double crochet into the magic ring and do a slip stitch on top of the chain 2, and then we'll close the magic circle. So for the next round, we are going to just continue doing single crochet into each stitch. So at the end of the round, you have 6 single crochet. To each stage, put 1 single crochet, and we're just going to do this 4 rounds. We're going to do 4 rounds of 6 single crochet, and I will meet you at the end of the round 4. When you're walking around this single crochet into this berry, make sure you push the yarn out so you can walk in the so you can see the stitch properly, because as you continue making the round, you find that the stitch curves in, so you just push it out so you can see all the stitches. And now I'm at the end of the 4th round, and I'm just going to do my slip stitch right there, and you'll have something exactly like this. And we're just going to chain 1 and fasten off. So once you fasten off, please leave some yarn to insert your darning needle for you to close up the berries. Now I attached my darning needle to that yarn. So now it's time to close up the berries. You just go in, stitch to the other side, and just close up the berry, and making sure that you push the yarn from the magic circle. You do not cut it off. you leave it inside the berries and just close it up. So you have something like this, squishy, and then we're going to have 3 of this. And now we're going to attach it to our leaves. For the leaves, I'm going to just tie a knot twice, and with my darning needle I'm going to attach the leaves together with the berries. But with the berries I'm not doing with my darning needle. So with the darning needle I'm just going to secure the leaves together properly. After I tie a knot at the bottom, just go into the leaves, between the leaves, and I place them on the way I want them to be placed, and then just sewing. Just make your stitch, when you sew in, just make your stitch a little bit neat and clean. Now I'm going to just cut off heavy yarn after stitching and securing my leaves properly. And now with my crochet hook, I'm going to attach the berries. What I'm just going to do is from the opposite side, I'm just going to insert my hook and then use my hook to push the berry, and this depends on how you want your berry to look or how you want them to be, on however you want to make them. But for me, I'm just going to place them like this, 1 on top and 2 at the bottom. I'm going to tie the berries now with a knot. Just tie the 3 strands of the yarn, the berries, just tie that in, and I'm going to go in with my darning needle as well to just secure this properly at the end of it, and just go in between the berries and attaching them to the leaf. So we've come to the end of the video, and if you want to attach something to the olive plants and the berries to hang it, so just do a chain of 25 just to hang it, as I did here. It's really simple. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give my video a thumbs up. See you in the next one.